Alright, so here we are at our room at Cabana Bay Beach Resort at Universal Orlando. Just want to do a room tour really quick so give you guys an idea of what the room's laid out like, how big it is, what amenities are in there, and things like that. So this is room 4528. It is a standard 2-queen room. Give you an idea, I just can't get enough of this decor through here. I love the colors and the shapes and everything like that. Super fun, super cool, super vacation-y. But anyway, let's head inside. So when you first come inside, there's just a little tiny area here where the door doesn't open. You can, if you have something tall that could stand up, it could go right there. Next up on this side, we do have a closet. Just got some sliding doors on it here. And inside, they do give you some hangers to use. You have your ironing board, your luggage rack. And there is a safe here, a keypad safe. You could fit an iPad, maybe a small laptop, something like that in there. Turning around from the closet past the door, here's the entry door. Again, nice blue color. Love the color, like I said. Here, the closet behind me, we have the vanity area. Super fun mirror, fun lights. It's just a single sink, a couple drawers here, a little storage down below where you could keep some of your toiletries, things like that. I like that Zest soap, kind of going with the vintage theme of Cabana Bay, the old school beach resort style. They do provide a hairdryer, some tissues here. We've got some outlets, just the 2 outlets on the side there for anything you may need to plug in while you're here at the vanity. You got a mirror on the back of the bathroom door that faces the vanity area. And then in here you have your toilet and your shower, both in the same room, separate from the vanity. You got the nice, cool, kind of old school tile look. Got some VO5 shampoo and is that conditioner or body wash? Conditioner, I'm thinking. And also some more Zest soap. You do have one of the little clotheslines to pull across for your swimsuits when you're out at the pool or in season, the water park. More theming here on the shower curtain with the cool shapes and everything like that. Now turning back out, the mirror is behind me of the vanity. We have the closet right here. We turn to our left and we come to the main sleeping area, the main part of the room. You can see someone has already made themselves at home and is enjoying it. So we'll let him be over there. We'll look at this bed. You have 2 queen beds, like I said. Both have some cool artwork up at the top. Really like that style. And 2 like reading lights above them. Cool headboard, cool box spring down at the bottom. It carries on with that theming. And the beds seem nice. We just got here, haven't really used them much, but they seem like they'll be okay. And then in between here, you have your bedside table. This cool, like, kind of vintage looking clock. I like that. Because COVID, they do give you some Cabana Bay branded hand sanitizer. The remote's been cleaned, so it's in that bag. You have your phone there for calling anywhere on the property, or I assume you can call out as well. Yes, you can. We do have 2 outlets for each side of the bed. No USB plugs, just normal wall outlets, so you will need your power brick. And then we do have some storage down here in that table. And then turning around with the beds behind me, we have the TV. There's a mini fridge in here. So if you have any waters or anything you want to bring up to your room to keep cool, you do have that. We have some drawers here. They do seem to be soft close. No, they don't. The first time was, the second time wasn't. Not sure what that was about. Maybe I'm too aggressive. Who knows? But so be careful with those. Then we have the coffee maker, several cups there. Some cream and sugar, I would guess. That's what condiments means. Then we have this cool light here. And a little seating area with 2 chairs and a table right at the end of this bed. So not a whole lot of space there, but it is fine for 2 people that want to maybe get some food and bring it up here to eat. And then we do have some plugs over here, 4 plugs, 2 USBs, and actually an Ethernet port there also, if you need to plug in for the internet. Now behind the coffee maker here, there are 3 more outlets. Those could be used for something if you have a lot of things that you need to plug in. But it seems like there's plenty of power accessible in some pretty convenient spots that you don't really need to worry too much about that if that is a concern of yours. So there you have it. That is our room tour of a standard review room at Cabana Bay, or standard queen room, pool view in this one.